GDP. You've heard it on the news, but do you really understand it? Let's break it down in just 5 simple steps. First, what is GDP? Forget the complicated name. GDP is simply the total market value of all final goods and services produced within a country's borders in a specific period, usually a year or a quarter. Think of it as a mirror reflecting a nation's economic health. Only final products count, like a pizza, not its ingredients. Second, how is GDP calculated? Easy. Just add up the market value of all final goods and services. A luxury car contributes more to GDP than a budget car because of its higher price, even though both are cars. Third, GDP's limitations. It's useful, but not perfect. It ignores household work, underground economies, environmental costs, and income distribution. GDP tells us how big the economy's cake is, but not how it's shared. Fourth, the components of GDP. GDP has 4 key parts: consumption, household spending, investment, business spending, government spending on defense, healthcare, etc., and net exports, exports minus imports. Understanding these helps analyze the economy better. Fifth, nominal versus real GDP. Nominal GDP includes inflation, while real GDP adjusts for it. Real GDP is the true measure of economic growth. If prices rise, nominal GDP may increase, but real GDP might stay the same, or even shrink. Now you've got GDP figured out in 5 easy steps. Understanding GDP is key to making smart economic decisions. Like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.